Open black lens bracket 200W Car Power Inverter Close black lens bracket Car Power Converter featured with 2x US standard AC sockets, 4x USB charging ports. District of Columbia 12V to AC 110 volts converter provides power up to 180W. Great for charging laptop, tablets, cell phone, Christmas gift, string lights, breast pump, CPAP machine, nebulizer, game console, Kindle, TV, DVD players, lights, iPad, and other electronic devices. Open black lens bracket travel kit Close black lens bracket just about credit card size 3. 2x2. 5x1. 5 inches, space saving and easy storage, extremely portable and lightweight at only 8 ounces plus. Open black lens bracket multi-protection smart cooling fan Close black lens bracket. Built-in multi-protection system provides full protection with short circuit, low voltage, overcharge, overvoltage, overload, over temperature protection, built-in fuse. Smart cooling fan makes the car power inverter silent when operating, and it runs faster when it gets warmer. Open black lens bracket warm tips Close black lens bracket only for District of Columbia 12V and car, not applied for District of Columbia 24V and airplane use. Do not use to power high-power electrical equipment, such as hair dryers, electric heaters, which may blow the fuse. Open black lens bracket professional service Close black lens bracket. Choose FOVAL car power inverter adapter. We provide 24 months warranty and after-sale customer service support to make you 100% satisfied. If our product did not meet your expectation, please be free to contact us anytime. Top reviews from the United States. Bought this for vacation. I love this product. It was great to have when we traveled to another state. We were able to fast charge our phone due to regular plug-in outlet. And our kids were able to charge their tablets with the USB slots. All in all, we had 4 devices charging at once with no issues while on the road. I use it daily for my phone's fast charge while I am out delivering for work. Would recommend for people who travel a lot or are in the delivery business.